Hello everyone, this is Daria. In this video, I want to show you in my own style how to get rid of the blank white canvas and create your initial sketch directly on the canvas using just a brush without a pencil. First, we tone the canvas with very diluted colors like brown, ochre, or a brick tone. The paint should be extremely thin, almost like water, with no thickness at all. Actually, you can do this step either before or after your main sketch. So if you prefer, you can sketch first and then tone the canvas afterward to remove the white. Next, I draw the horizon line and define the general space around it. Then, using the simplest method and a relatively thin brush, I start to sketch the figure. I call the matchstick and head method. Here's how it works. You use the size of the head as a unit and build the entire body based on that. The full body is usually around 7 to 8 heads tall. One head for the actual head at the top. Two heads for the upper body, one head for the pelvis, 1.5 heads for the thighs, and 1.5 heads for the lower legs. Actually, these proportions can vary slightly between women, men, and different body types. With practice and experience, this method becomes very intuitive and easy. Using this matchstick and head approach, you can design almost any figure. Before we continue with the next step, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. It really supports me and it makes me happy. Thank you. Now we move on to the next stage, drawing the muscles and shaping the body. Based on your main figure, start refining the form. Keep your lines soft, loose, and flowing. And don't worry about making mistakes, I'm right here with you. At this stage, you can easily fix things or wipe areas with a cloth if needed. Since we're still working with a brush sketch, you can always correct and continue cleanly. With the same brush you're holding, you can define the overall body form, suggest shadows and lines, and establish the main structure of your painting. This will prepare you for the next step, adding base tones and the first layer of color. In the next post, we'll continue this process together by the sea and move on to applying the initial color layers. Thank you so much for being with me. And don't forget to paint life with color and creativity.